Es que estás tan alto y yo no sé volar. Si Dios me diera alas, yo sería ave fugaz.
Hi my friends, this is Anastasia and today we will learn how to do hyaluronic acid and collagen as well. We will need an egg, also we will need water and alcohol. And by the way, I will be very happy if you follow me in Instagram and Facebook. And I know my English is horrible, but I'm trying to translate all my videos. Hyaluronic acid is a substance that is naturally present in the human body. It is found in the highest concentrations in fluids, in the eyes and joints. Hyaluronic acid's magic is to give to your skin a lot of moisture. Yes, it's one of the best anti-aging products, but it is very expensive. This is why we're going to do it at home with one egg. The eggshell membrane has a lot of hyaluronic acid and collagen. And remember, collagen, after 25 years of age, we start to decline its production. After crushing your egg, you're going to take off the membrane, and that is where we have the hyaluronic acid. Of course, we're going to use plenty of eggs to do a complete recipe. And after a week of collecting all the eggs and the membranes of the breakfast, this is what makes the creams and the products that have hyaluronic acid so expensive. So you're gonna let them dry like for a week, and then you're going to, how you say it, cut them, destroy them like I'm doing in the video. Some people use the blender and you can do that, but the thing is you have to make it like a powder. And I'm gonna smash them with a spoon. Like you see here, it's all smashed, it's all powder, okay? And this is your hyaluronic acid. Now you will need water, and you will need like 2 fingers of water for 1 of alcohol. 2 fingers of water, 1 of alcohol. So we are starting with the water, and now we're going to measure the alcohol. Now we're going to use like 1 teaspoon of the egg membrane, and we're going to pour it in the water with the alcohol, and you're going to stir everything together. This is your magic potion. This is very expensive. If you try to buy it in the market, you will spend hundreds of dollars and you will have the same results. So let's say you want to prepare a green tea serum. You will need a glass, and you're going to pour some of your sugar-free green tea in this cup, like I'm doing here in the video. Okay, very easy. And then you drink the rest. So let's say you already have 3/4 of a glass with the green tea, and now you're going to use 1 tablespoon of glycerin, vegetable glycerin, and you're going to use a tablespoon of hyaluronic acid. And here you have a face serum that works miracle on your skin, and you can use it every night. You can use the hyaluronic acid directly on your skin during the night, and you can wait a little bit that it absorbs and then use your night cream. But I love the recipe of the green tea and the hyaluronic acid and the glycerin because it's completely antioxidant. The glycerin protects your face humidity, and the green tea, we know it's antioxidant, and the hyaluronic acid, it's completely anti-aging and has collagen, and it will make your face looks firmer, younger, no wrinkles, and you will love this recipe. Now, what you can do is add 1 tablespoon of your hyaluronic acid to any of your creams, including body creams, eye creams, face creams. We are going to keep our hyaluronic acid in the refrigerator and we will wait 72 hours before using it directly on our face, in our creams, doing our serums. And thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. God bless you.